To obtain knowledge by observation, better known than the world. GEYA Electric, established in year 2007, is a private-owned enterprise doing research, manufacture, and sales of low-voltage electrical and automatic controlling products. Always uphold the ideas of top quality and constant innovation. The company is located in Wenzhou City with top rank. GEYA owns top-level numerical control machine and fully automated process line. It takes transformation from traditional manufacture to smart, make from grinding to molding, plastic to assembly, which not only ensure steady and stable production quality and make the customer obtaining best price. It obviously shows GEYA's outstanding spirit of excellence and customer first. The product system of GEYA contains wide range of low-voltage electric and automatic controlled series products, including MCB, MCCB, ELCB, isolator, contact, relay, timer, VFD, distribution board, and components, series of related accessories and spares. The MCB product line offers several braking capacity series from 3 kA to 10 kA for different demand of our customers. And another main product line of ours is relay. In this product line, we offer 8 Series 31 types modular relay for time control, voltage monitoring, level control, etc. In the meanwhile, GEYA products are certified to required industry standards according to CCC, CE, CB, SAA, SEMCO, TUV, and ROSH, etc. We make our best efforts to meet our customers' needs. GEYA not only service for the global customers by OEM and ODM, but also make deep cooperation with many international famed brands. Meanwhile, in order to promote GEYA brand to overseas market, we supply more competitive sales policy for the agencies. The company people-oriented enhances strength by instantly introducing high-quality talents. Under leading of the company's leaders, GEYA staffs like 100 ships competing for flow to do innovation, to realize customer orientation successfully. Please believe, not only at present, but in the future, GEYA will make top products and service for the clients.